All right, glad to have you here.
When it comes to building a product or a landing page like this, you are actually working with the emotion of the people, right? Of the person that is visiting this website, the visitor, right? So you are directing their eyes to what they should see well and what they should see less, right? For example, you want people to take action. That's why this is taking a solid color, right? That's the psychology behind this particular landing page, right? But for this about us pricing, they are good, they are important, but they don't take sharp color like this, right? Because you don't want your users to be navigating ASAP. Like the moment they get to this landing page, you want them to actually follow through what is here, right? So you don't want to start putting emphasis color here. Now, what do we do to that? We are going to change this color to make it light. Like we're going to come with a light gray color. So do you know, guys, do you know that working with what's it called, working with black color and white is not the best? Yeah, I hope you know that because of the contrast, but I really cannot explain everything now. Did you know what I did? This was what it was before, so I used that linear movement to actually change it to something that is light. Do you get? So this is how it should be. This can be emphasized maybe because let's say this is home now. This can be emphasized here because we are on that page. So once somebody click on this one, it become darker. So the developer is going to understand that interaction, right? But you see, this is how your navigation should be. It should be light. It shouldn't be as like, you shouldn't have this color, emphasis color, because this is your emphasis color. While building this product, although this is an intermediate work, yeah. So we have the what's it called, this is color code or a color system that you're working with, right? So, and there are reasons for these colors, but please don't let us go into all of those things right now. Just know that your navigation shouldn't take emphasis color. It should light it up. I love this so much. Let's go to your prototype actually. Yeah, I love this. This is well done. Perfect sizing. Yeah, this sizing is correct. Although I would have reduced this a little bit. It's looking a little bit too big, yeah, but it's fine. It's nice. Okay, this is good. This is good. I love this person's the way he manages text is very very nice. But you see, this learn more is too big, right? One of the things you need to understand about product design is that it's not about how big it is about how important a particular thing is on a particular landing page. This element is not as important as this. This element is not as important as this, right? This is like the least important there. I shouldn't be this big. So, and because it's also important, and to an extent, we can say that it's having the same importance with this. That's why we are giving it color, so that it's not going to, the user's eyes is not going to escape it. So let's improve on that particular thing. Let's improve on it. We are going to improve on this up to 20. So one of the things you need to understand is that there are reasons to what we are doing, right? So we don't just do things anyhow. We have reasons. All of these things are the way we are doing them, like there are reasons behind them, right? But all of those things we cannot talk about them like in 3 days, yeah. So now look at learn more. You can see the way learn more is now. Is it not obvious to the eyes? I want to hear your experience. Is it not obvious to the eyes? Can you still see it? The owner of this project, Nuruddin.
Yes, yes. It's looking better
You can
now.
still see it.
Yeah.
Exactly. So compared to this is like what, this too much. So when a recruiter is looking at your project and the person is like okay, and the person is smiling, don't think they are smiling because you are doing well. Sometimes you might not be doing well. Do you understand? So all of these things are things that they look at when they are like checking up your work, right? So sometimes when opportunity, maybe we are not given an opportunity, we think that the company is doing maybe Ojoro. I remember when I was still young, I was at that day Ojoro, they know that lady, they know that guy, that's why they give that guy that opportunity they didn't give me. There's some of the things that just looking at your work I can tell if you're a beginner or an intermediate, because a beginner student have not developed design intuition to understand what is good or what is bad. All they do is, all what a beginner student will do is it fine? Do you understand? Meanwhile, finance is there, but it's not always our priority as product designer. You are leading people to see things. You are intentional about this. You're intentional about the pictures. That's why when I want to select this picture, I do not go and pick maybe violent color, although violent will even work because the background is white, right? But let's say that we have a another background for this. I am also intentional about the picture that is going to fit that particular landing page. So when you see beautiful design out there, it's not just the color, but it's actually how all of the things on that landing page, how they work together to create a perfect look for that design. Yeah, and those are the things that you need to understand. Sometimes YouTube cannot do that for you, except you work with a mentor.